Let's play Guess the Animal. Go ahead and tap on a question mark. Rooster. Excellent. Cow. Yes. Pig. Keep it up. Hen. Great job. Goose. Way to go. What beautiful white bird lives on the lakes? Swan. Good thinking.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Duck. Nice. Sheep. Not bad. Horse. Perfect. Goat. That's the way. Who looks like a little horse? Who looks like a little horse? Pony. You did it. Who is very stubborn? Donkey. You're good. Great job. You guessed all the animals on this level. Now tap on the animals and learn fun facts. Rooster. Roosters are daddy chickens. They are much bigger than hens. Roosters like to have a lot of space. They fight anyone who gets too close. Cow. Most cows live on a farm. They are very calm and almost never hurt people. Cows give us milk, and milk is very good for our bones. So if you want to be big and strong, drink a lot of milk. Pig. Pigs are very important farm animals. Pigs can eat almost anything. They like to take mud baths. They are not messy. It's just that mud protects them from the sun. Pigs have funny-looking noses. They are very good at smelling things. Swan. Swans look a lot like ducks, but are more fancy-looking. Young swans look very simple. It is hard to believe that one day they will turn into beautiful swans. Mommy and Daddy swans usually stay together their whole life and never leave each other. Duck.
Quack, quack.
Ducks are very good swimmers. They come in different colors and sizes. People get fluff and meat from them. Goose. Some geese are wild and some are calm. Geese are able to fly, and that is why people clip their wings so they won't fly away. We get sheep. Sheep are fluffy and white. There are lots of different kinds of sheep. We get meat and wool from sheep. Wool is used to make things like clothes and comfy blankets. Horse. Horses are very fast. A long time ago, people would use them to get around. Now we use cars. But people still ride horses for fun. Goat. Goats have funny beards, which makes them look very interesting. We get a lot of good things from them, like milk, meat, and skin. They can eat any type of grass. Pony. Ponies are so small, people think they are baby horses, but they are really a special kind of a horse. Ponies can carry a lot of weight. Donkey. Donkeys look like horses, but they are much smaller and have long ears. Donkeys are very stubborn animals. Some people can also be stubborn like a donkey. Do you know anyone like that? Let's play Guess the Animal. Go ahead and tap on a question mark. Crow. Sweet. Bobcat. Think again. Cat. All right. Who used to be the fastest mail carriers? Woodpecker. No. Who used pigeon? Oh yeah. Who steals cheese and hates cats? Mouse. You go. Dog. Bravo. Who has colorful wings? Butterfly. Beautiful. Great job. You guessed all the animals on this level. Now tap on the animals and learn fun facts. Crow. Crows can be found pretty much everywhere. They nest in towns, cities, and villages. They are very smart. For example, when a crow finds a nut, it knows to drop it on something hard in order to crack it. Cat. Pigeon. Pigeons used to be the fastest mail carriers. People trained them to return home after a message had been delivered. There are many, many different kinds of pigeons. A lot of pigeons live in cities, and you can see them in squares or parks, walking around, searching for food. Mouse. Mice come in different colors: gray, white, black, brown, and a mixture of all those. They do a lot of harm to farms and eat up grain. They always find a way to sneak in. They also multiply quickly, so it's hard to get rid of them. Dog. Dogs are well known to be man's best friend. The animals are very loyal guardians and kind companions. They never betray their owners and serve them with all their heart. People use dogs for hunting as well. They can smell prey and track it down very easily. Butterfly. A butterfly is a beautiful, bright, and colorful insect. They are very hard to spot because they can pretend to be a flower. Every butterfly starts out as a caterpillar before it turns into a beautiful butterfly.